Welcome to Hollywood Now and Then with your latest movie reviews and movie information. Uh, we're going to be reviewing the movie Sully, which stars Tom Hanks, Aaron Eckhart, Laura Linney, and is directed by the great Clint Eastwood. Now, this is based on incredible true events. And so what happened is back on January 15th, 2009, in Captain Stephen Sully Sullenberg went was on a flight, flight 1549 to Charlotte, when he had to make an emergency landing on the Hudson River and have everybody evacuate the plane. Now, this is an electrifying thriller for the 21st century. Tom Hanks gives a great role as Captain Sullenberg. Very indulging, very melodramatic at first. The first few minutes of this movie is very melodramatic, but then it gets into high quality in movie entertainment, and it is a true story, and it goes into the ongoing investigation, and the computer, the National Flight Board, reminded Sully and his assistant flight officer, played by Aaron Eckhart, or what happened is that they could have a flock of birds hit the two engines on the plane. They weren't low enough to land the plane. They were high up in the air, and they had to make an emergency landing on the Hudson River, or they could have went to Tinborn. They could have backtracked to LaGuardia in the computer simulations. And Captain Sully, he took 17 times in that flight simulation time. Now, all this happened. It takes a half an hour to explain what happened in almost 2,804 seconds of flight time. And this movie, it has to be everything has to be condemned and conceived well, and put into this mush bag, a mixed bag to good reviews, edited down right. And I think it's a good film. I think it's definitely a true event and film that's actually happened on the news. Tom Hanks gives a great performance here. It's one of his best roles since playing Captain Richard Phillips and Captain Phillips. I think is this man a hero or just a working pilot who just luckily saved the day? Sully, I give it about 3.5 stars. I'm Joe Callahan with Hollywood Now and Then.